Building furniture is fun. There's something incredibly satisfying about taking raw materials and transforming them into a piece of functional art. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a complete beginner, the process of creating something with your own hands can be both therapeutic and rewarding. Today we're going to dive into the world of DIY woodworking and guide you through the steps to build your very own coffee table. You can make a coffee table. It might seem like a daunting task at first, but with the right tools, materials, and a bit of patience, you'll find that it's a manageable and enjoyable project. We'll break down each step, from selecting the wood to applying the final finish, ensuring that you have all the information you need to succeed. It is a great project. Not only will you end up with a beautiful piece of furniture, but you'll also gain valuable skills that you can apply to future projects. Woodworking teaches precision, attention to detail, and problem solving, all of which are useful in many areas of life. Plus, there's a unique joy in using something you've made yourself. You will learn new skills. From measuring and cutting to sanding and staining, each step of the process offers an opportunity to develop and refine your abilities. Even if you've never picked up a saw before, don't worry, we'll guide you through each technique, providing tips and tricks to help you along the way. A coffee table is useful. It's more than just a piece of furniture. It's a central part of your living space. Whether you're enjoying a cup of coffee, displaying your favorite books, or hosting friends and family, a coffee table serves many purposes. By building your own, you can customize it to fit your style and needs perfectly. It sits in your living room. Imagine the pride you'll feel every time you walk into the room and see the table you built with your own hands. It's a conversation starter, a testament to your hard work and creativity. Plus, it adds a personal touch to your home that store-bought furniture simply can't match. You can put things on it. From decorative items to everyday essentials, your coffee table will become a versatile and functional part of your home. Whether you're displaying a beautiful vase of flowers, organizing your remote controls, or setting down your morning coffee, this table will serve you well in many ways. It brings the room together. A well-crafted coffee table can be the focal point of your living room, tying together your decor and creating a cohesive look. By choosing the right design and finish, you can ensure that your table complements the rest of your furniture and enhances the overall aesthetic of your space. This guide will help you. We will go step by step. From gathering your materials to the final assembly, we'll provide clear and detailed instructions to make the process as smooth as possible. You'll find that with each step, your confidence grows, and before you know it, you'll have a beautiful coffee table ready to use. You will have a beautiful table, one that reflects your personal style and the effort you've put into creating it. This isn't just any table. It's a piece of furniture that tells a story, your story. Every time you look at it, you'll be reminded of the journey you took to build it. You will be proud of your work. Let's get started. There's no better time than now to embark on this rewarding project. Gather your tools, clear your workspace, and let's dive into the world of woodworking. By the end of this guide, you'll not only have a stunning coffee table, but also a newfound appreciation for the art of woodworking. Before you start, you need materials. Wood is the main ingredient. You'll need boards for the tabletop. You'll need legs too. You will also need tools. A saw cuts the wood. A drill makes holes. A screwdriver attaches the pieces. Get safety gear too. Safety glasses protect your eyes. Gloves protect your hands. Gather your supplies. Now you are ready to build. Now we measure and cut. Use a tape measure, mark the wood with a pencil, cut the wood carefully. Follow the lines you made, use a saw. Cut the tabletop first, then cut the legs. Make sure they are the same size. Accurate cutting is important. It makes the table strong. It also makes it look good. Time to build the frame. This is the base of the table. Use the legs and some wood for support. Attach the legs to the tabletop. Use screws and a drill. Make sure they are straight. Add support pieces. These keep the table from wobbling. Place them between the legs. Now you have a frame. It is starting to look like a table. Section 5. Attaching the tabletop. Completing the structure. The frame is ready. Now for the tabletop. This is the surface of the table. Place the tabletop on the frame. Make sure it is centered. Use clamps to hold it. Attach the tabletop to the frame. Use screws and a drill. Pre-drill holes for the screws. This prevents the wood from splitting. Your coffee table is almost done. Section 6. Sanding and smoothing. Preparing for the finish. The table is built. Now make it smooth. Use sandpaper. Sand all the surfaces. Start with coarse sandpaper, then use fine sandpaper. This makes the wood soft. Sanding takes time. Be patient. It is worth it. A smooth surface looks better. It also takes the finish better. Section 7. Applying the finish, protecting and enhancing your table. The table is smooth. After all the hard work of sanding and preparing the surface, it's time to protect and enhance your table with a finish. This step is crucial as it not only adds beauty to the wood, but also provides a protective layer that will help the table withstand daily wear and tear. Now protect it with a finish. There are various types of finishes available, each offering different levels of protection and aesthetic appeal. Some finishes penetrate the wood, while others form a hard, protective layer on the surface. This will make it last longer. Choose a finish. When selecting a finish, consider the type of wood, the desired look, and the level of protection needed. Oil-based finishes, for example, penetrate deeply into the wood, enhancing its natural beauty and providing a durable finish. Water-based finishes, on the other hand, dry quickly and are easy to clean up, making them a popular choice for many woodworkers. You can use stain or paint. Stains are great for highlighting the natural grain of the wood, giving it a rich, deep color. Paint, however, offers a more uniform color and can be used to match the table to other pieces of furniture or decor in your home. Stain changes the color of the wood. When applying stain, use a clean cloth or brush to ensure even coverage. Wipe off any excess stain to prevent blotches and allow the wood's natural beauty to shine through. Paint covers the wood with color. Apply the finish evenly. For paint, use a high-quality brush or roller to achieve a smooth, even coat. Multiple thin coats are better than one thick coat as they reduce the risk of drips and ensure a more durable finish. Use a brush or a cloth. Let it dry completely. Whether you choose to use a brush or a cloth, make sure to apply the finish in thin, even layers. Allow each layer to dry completely before applying the next one. This will help to build up a strong, protective finish that will last for years. You may need several coats. Depending on the type of finish and the desired level of protection, you may need to apply several coats. Be patient and take your time with this process. Each coat adds to the durability and beauty of the table. Now your coffee table is done. With the finish applied and fully dried, your table is now ready to be used and admired. The finish not only enhances the natural beauty of the wood, but also provides a protective layer that will help the table withstand daily use. Enjoy your beautifully finished table. Section 8. Safety first. Woodworking with care. Woodworking can be dangerous. Always wear safety glasses. Safety glasses are essential in protecting your eyes from the various hazards present in a woodworking environment. Whether you're cutting, sanding, or chiseling, tiny particles of wood and dust can easily become airborne and pose a significant risk to your vision. They protect your eyes from dust and debris. Without proper eye protection, these particles can cause irritation, injury, or even permanent damage. It's a simple step that can prevent serious accidents. Be careful when using power tools. Power tools are incredibly useful but also come with their own set of dangers. Always read the manual and understand how to operate each tool safely. Make sure the tool is in good working condition before use. Keep your fingers away from the blades. Don't force the tool. Let the tool do the work. Forcing it can lead to mistakes and accidents. Always use push sticks or other safety devices to keep your hands at a safe distance from the blades. Wear gloves to protect your hands. Wood can be sharp. Handling wood without gloves can result in cuts, scrapes, and splinters. Gloves provide a barrier between your skin and the rough surfaces of the wood. Gloves also protect from splinters. Splinters can be painful and difficult to remove. By wearing gloves, you reduce the risk of getting splinters and other minor injuries. Keep your work area clean. Wood dust is flammable. A clean workspace is a safe workspace. Regularly sweeping up wood dust and debris can prevent accidents and fires. Clean up spills right away. Spills can create slippery surfaces and lead to falls. By cleaning up immediately, you maintain a safe and efficient working environment. Remember, safety in woodworking is not just about protecting yourself but also about ensuring a safe space for everyone around you. Always follow safety guidelines and encourage others to do the same. Happy woodworking! Section 9. Conclusion. Enjoying your handmade coffee table. Congratulations, you built your own coffee table. It was hard work, but you did it. Place your new table in your living room. Put a plant on it. Put your favorite books on it. Enjoy your coffee table. You made it yourself. That makes it even more special.